What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 14th of January 2025. We're taking a look at Aerodrome Finance. Well, if we didn't bottom yesterday on a full moon across the board, cryptocurrencies, stock market futures, then I don't know what happened, but it looks like we had a full moon bottom. We'll see how it plays out in the days ahead, but it was a classic sell right into the full moon and then rally into the end of the day. We actually had some products up in the green yesterday. Very impressive reversal throughout the day. We'll see if that full moon bottom holds. Want to welcome all of the new subs to the channel. Thanks, guys. Channel hit 6,000 subs yesterday, and looks like it's been climbing a little bit overnight. We had Aerodrome for everybody saying you will not promise me you will not see Aerodrome under $1. We hit Aerodrome yesterday of a low of 88. Let's see, yeah, 88 was the low yesterday. We didn't quite make it down to the 82.57 level, although the way we were heading, I thought we were going to, but hey, price doesn't lie. We hit 88 as the low. We rallied all the way back up above 1.005. Almost all the way back up to 1.086. We closed the day yesterday at 106.002. Very, very impressive recovery. Like I said, across the board, guys, we took out all these lows here at basically $1, 1.005. We were heading right towards 82.57. And luckily for those longs, we didn't quite get there. And when we closed up almost all the way back up at 1.086. Very impressive. Today is Tuesday, and we are finding a little bit of resistance at the 1.086. You can see the candle bumping its head there. We're above 1.005. We'll see what happens today. Today could be a start of a new uptrend here. We'll see how it goes. Ideally, we print a higher low today. I don't see why we would print a lower low. That's a far way down there. It's all the way down to 88 cents. If we make a new daily high today, that would be a good start to a new uptrend. Whether that holds short-term or long-term, time will tell. But that means we would have to take out the highs at 112.763. Obviously, that would put us above 1.086 as well. So we'll see what happens here. Again, very impressed with yesterday's recovery across the board in the markets and the futures. So what we're going to watch here today is the 1.086. That's this blue line here. In a perfect world, we close above that, somewhere up in here, because that will increase the odds of us heading up to our next level, which is 123.5. If we can't get above 1.086 and we close below it, the odds increase of us heading back down to basically $1, 1.005. We had a huge range yesterday, guys. Highs 112, lows of 88. So those of you that bought the dip down in here, you're probably feeling pretty good. And I hope it continues to rally to the upside for you guys, at least for the short term. The next level of real market resistance, besides our levels here, so our levels are 1.086, 123.5. The next real level of market resistance is up here around the 130.47 level. That's we had some lows here, some support early January, as well as about mid or so December. That's the next level of real market resistance. There is some levels over here of some resistance, but I think the real level is way up here at 130.47. So we could be in for a pretty big rally. Obviously, time will tell. There was quite a bit of damage done, so I think it's going to limp its way back. But hey, we'll see. I mean, there's been many times in the past where the markets have put in a bottom at or right around a full moon, and if there's any time that's going to happen, it's going to be right now, because that was a classic recovery. If there is sell-off right into a massive moon, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But there is a lot of damage done. There's a lot of bearish trend confirmations that have been taking place recently. The markets are actually in downtrends. but does not, of course, it doesn't mean they won't recover and rally off that full moon. So as far as Aerodrome, again, not too much to talk about here. That's all we're going to do is watch our 1086, our 123, and our basically $1, the 1.005. So that's 1, 2, 3 levels here. If we take out yesterday's highs at, what was that one? Let's see here. Yesterday's highs. If we take out yesterday's highs, that would actually be quite bullish, and that would give us a potential 3-bar play, 3-bar bottom. That's 112,763. So right in here, if we make that high, and in a perfect world, you close above it, we could have a 3-bar play here as a bottom, setting up into a new uptrend. So that would be quite bullish. Time will tell, guys. Let's go take a look at Bitcoin, BTC USD. Bitcoin got very, very close to our 88,453 target. We hit a low yesterday of 89,028.64. Very, very close. We took out the lows at around the 92,000 level, which we were talking about for a while here as support. Took those out, and we were heading right towards 88,453 and stopped on a dime and started to reverse. Closed unchanged on the day. Bitcoin closed the day yesterday, down $3? Crazy. Today we are rallying here. We're up $2,300. We are battling right now the 96,626 level. That's this red line on the chart. We'll see how we do. Once again, these markets may have bottomed right on a full moon, and we could be in for a big rally. Time will tell. Next level above the 96 will be 106.49.56 right here, guys. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Anything is possible after yesterday's volatility. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. Do you think the markets put in a bottom yesterday on January 13th on the full moon? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Where do you think Aerodrome is heading to next? All links are down below. And of course, not financial advice. Have a great day.